Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create the particle effect where you want to set up the save point for your game. So in GDevelop, we are going to create new project. Okay, and here you can see I have added this main scene background, which is darker black, so that it would be visible for us. Now next thing is creating new object, which is particle emitter. Now let's add save point as its name, where the particle kind is a line, right? Then its length we want to set up for 5 and its thickness to, let's say, 15. Now let's experiment here with color. Let's go with something like dark, right? Okay, so I'm going with this color. Next color is, okay, so let's go with a bit more lighter but dark shade. Okay, next is this. So these two I want to use it for the effect. Set opacity to 204 and 0, then choose additive rendering, then maximum number of particles, let's go with 300. Keep the number of particles in tank infinite with -1 value. Then comes the path flow of particles. Set it to something like 30 or 40, right? Minimum emitter force we want it for 0. Maximum also we want it for 0. Spray cone angle I want low, which is 1. Then radius also 1. Then gravity and friction I want to keep it at default. You can keep friction 0 if you want. Then you can experiment with particle minimum lifetime. So for that you can keep it 1, right? Both minimum and maximum value for 1. Then start size, let's keep it to 100, and then particle minimum rotation speed to 360 each, because we want it to have a rotation, right? Then click on apply, save this. Now let's drop it on scene. Now let's turn the angle to the top. Make sure to get it the way you want. You can get it to any other angle if you want, right? Save this. Now let's run the effect, and here you see. Okay, so you can add this particular effect near a position where you want your player to go, and once your player touches this particular particle effect, they can move to another scene or another level. So you get the idea for particle effect of save point in GDevelop.